At MindSpaceX, we deliver learning on demand. And that means we tailor each learning experience to the individual learner. MindSpaceX has created an ecosystem of learning tools and platforms to help you learn in the best way possible. At MindSpaceX Aviation, we deliver aviation-related content such as the A320 refresher course. At MindSpaceX Growth, we deliver learning content on how to optimize learning and how to retain information that you have learned for a longer period of time. These are tools that you can take for whatever aspect you need it, not just for aviation. At MindSpaceX Academy, which is our e-learning platform, we deliver all the learning to you at your convenience. And at MindSpaceX Live, we deliver online live classes and live streaming Q&A sessions via YouTube to help the individual learner answer any questions and engage in any way you need. All of this is available to you with a simple enrollment in a course.